Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to transfer your Shopify store along with all admin privileges and ownership controls to a new owner using a new email address. So without further ado, let's jump right in. To begin, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account as an administrator. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Shopify dashboard. From here, go to the bottom left corner of the dashboard and click on Settings. This will open a new page with several options. Next, click on Users and Permissions, which is located between Billing and Payments. This is where you can manage access to your store. Once you're on this page, you'll see the option to transfer store ownership. You can transfer ownership to an existing staff member or to a completely new email address managed by a different person. Click on Transfer Ownership. Now follow the on-screen instructions and enter the new owner's details, including their email address, first name, last name, and your store password to confirm the transfer. After filling in the required information, click on Transfer Store Ownership. The new owner will receive a confirmation email. Once they accept the transfer, the ownership will be successfully transferred. After the transfer is complete, the new store owner will have full admin privileges. They'll be able to change or remove your permissions, manage billing and payment information, view or edit credit card details, and even pause or close the store if needed. Once you're sure you want to proceed, simply confirm the transfer, and that's it. You're done. And that's all there is to transferring ownership of a Shopify store. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like, drop a comment below, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!